गोंय सरकाराचे जोड पालवान गोमंतक टीव्ही घडोवन हाडटा नवनिर्मितीचो ध्यास घेतिल्ले कर्तृत्ववान इंजिनियर्सांचो भोवमान सुवाळो. गोमंतक टीव्ही इंजिनियरिंग एक्सलन्स अवॉर्ड 2024.
Today was a wonderful evening, so unexpectedly lovely because all meritorious engineers were recognized for their talents. This has never ever happened before. We always worked and we took it as our responsibility or duty to give to our state. But for the first time, we were recognized. This is a great initiative by Gomantak TV. I wish them all the best towards education and encouragement to all the young people. Thank you, Gomantak TV. We are highly honored to receive the award. I have received the award of a woman engineer. I have retired from PWD as the First Lady Chief Engineer post-liberation. And recognizing my sincere work, I was chosen to receive an award of excellence. Once again, thank you for the great work you all are doing. Thank you, Gomantak TV.